To you all, on this special day, I, Sanam Sangho, a student of class 7, have the honor of representing Pal Monastic Secondary School in this 6th Inter-Muslim School Academic Exchange and Cooperation event. I want to extend my profound reverence and heartfelt respect to His Holiness, the 43rd Sakya, Trizin Rinpoche. I also extend my warm greetings to the Honorable Chairperson of Muslim Buddhist Association, Trizin, the chairperson of the Lamantong Rural Municipality, the respect of head of the municipalities of the Mustang and venerable campus and heads of various institutes, distinguished and my dear fellow students. To begin with, I stand today before you to talk about a topic that is close to our hearts and holds immense significance for our future: the importance of education. Education is a concept, a process, a tool to change, a lifelong journey, and a pathway to empowerment and freedom. It is the foundation upon which the future of humanity is built. It is the key to unlocking our potential, achieving our goals, and making a positive impact on the world. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is about developing our minds, our characters, and our critical thinking skills. As the famous education philosopher John Dewey once said, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Education helps us to navigate the complexities of life, to make informed decisions, and to become active participants in our communities. It gives us the freedom to dream and the hope that enlightens our future. The path of education is so noble that it teaches us to stand against evil in a society. People are social beings who live in a society diverse in caste, language, religion, and many other aspects. And education has the power to break down social, economic, and cultural barriers. It provides opportunities for individuals from all walks of life to access knowledge, to acquire skills, and to improve their socio-economic status. As Nelson Mandela so eloquently put it, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education helps to promote social mobility, to reduce inequality, and to foster a more just and equitable society. As individuals, education acts as a bridge to our goals and a better version of ourselves. Self-improvement and personal growth are core aspects that we should work on. Moreover, education helps us develop our values, beliefs, and sense of purpose. As Aristotle once said, education is the best provision for life's journey. Education helps us become a better version of ourselves, develop our passions, and pursue our interests. In addition, it empowers people to attain social status and sustain our livelihood. It instills the confidence needed to face the diverse challenges that life throws at us along our journey. Moreover, education plays a vital role in shaping our society and our future. It helps to promote social cohesion, to foster critical thinking, and to develop active citizenship. Education helps us become informed, engaged, and responsible citizens who can make a positive impact on our communities and on the world. As Paulo Freire, a renowned education philosopher, once said, education does not change the world. Education changes people. People change the world. I totally agree with this statement. Education is a wisdom that cannot flourish on its own. We people should acquire it, and with wisdom, we can change the world, just as our enlightened teacher Gautam Buddha did. In conclusion, education is more than what one has learned. It is the key to unlocking our potential, achieving our goals, and making a positive impact on the world. It is the foundation upon which the future of humanity is built. As we move forward in this rapidly changing world, let us remember the importance of education and its power to transform our lives, our communities, and society. Let us continue continue to value education, to prioritize it, and to make it accessible to all. As the great education philosopher Mahatma Gandhi once said, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Let us continue to learn, to grow, and to make a positive impact on the world. Once again, let's dream big, let's ignite the world with hope, and bring peace through education. Thank you.
sung hajang kalje rangshin de bachini ngaba dena kuba thazang bang lokta la jikse hakpar du gal chubo yinzu ko dosam shubai na te nawe tambela nyamona somena shagong lubaka kedena jigmena tamnyam lubaka serwatari keden jigge soma shitu tempa ka peshi keden gitiya pewa chuni lokde shyen ta ziyo kangtene yarga dogena kuba tambo posa di jikshi na parto kuba penke dosa yang jikshi tamar shyen ge juteta legen chuba yang jikshi la lagleba insang lokde jikshi ni lokda la pokta parasundo kalchibuyi donna gongdo shebe chulo ga japao 주소, 김상, 그바, 럭다소, 상마라, 직신이 메타메비 속다부이 대다소상, 니에 공대시에바 차상, 직신당, 대 갈주부이베, 고르도비 삼슈바이베 간대 너가 중요나, 소대 너네 땅나, 니웨네 목소리 주기 다들 격여 고마를 보치에 루베 프레미어 나신나마, 후세티지, 도시에 다다 흑여두브라쇼, 도시에지
A Bodong from the Bottom Maha to the chairman of this program organized by the Buddhist Association on the date of 17 January 2025. The respected Pratita Dhammaguru Gyanavidya Rinpoche, the chief guests, the special guests, the panel judges, the elders Kumur from various monasteries, the religious leaders, all the dignitaries present here, the participating friends and non-participating friends. I, Trizin, representing Chichikuma Chikale Monastery, consider myself very lucky to be able to express my thoughts in front of you all by participating in the oratory competition on the title of Education. What is education? Education is the process of learning new things and gaining knowledge and skills. It can happen in a school, at home, or even through experiences in everyday life. At school, students are taught subjects like maths, science, social studies, and languages, which help them to understand the world around them. Education is not just about memorizing facts or passing exams. It also helps them to develop critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. It teaches us how to work together, communicate, and respect others. Education prepares us for life and helps us to become responsible, informed, and productive citizens. Why is education important? Number 1. Knowledge and understanding. The main purpose of education is to provide knowledge. This knowledge helps students to understand various subjects like mathematics, science, and history. For example, learning about the solar system in science teaches us about planets and stars. In history, we learn about ancient civilizations which help us to understand the present and plan for the future. Number 2. Development of skills. Education helps students to develop important skills such as reading, writing, and calculating. These skills are useful in everyday life. Without education, it won't be hard to read a book, write a letter, or do simple math like adding or subtracting numbers. Number 3. Character building. Education is not just about academics. It also plays a big role in shaping a student's character. Schools teach values like honesty, kindness, respect, and discipline. Through group activities, sports, and teamwork, students learn how to work with others and develop leadership skills. Number 4. Opportunities for the future. Education opens up doors to many opportunities in the future. The more you learn, the more options you will have for your career and personal life. For example, if someone wants to be a doctor, they need to study hard and learn about science and medicine. If someone wants to become an engineer, they need to have a good understanding of mathematics and technology. Without education, many of these opportunities would not be available. Number 5. Health and problem solving. Education teaches us how to solve problems, whether it's a typical math equation or a real life situation. The skills we learn in school help us to think critically and find solutions. For example, learning about different concepts in social studies can help us to understand other people's perspectives, which can solve conflicts and create better relationships. Number 6. Creativity and imagination. Schools and teachers encourage students to think creatively and use their imagination. Through activities like art, music, and storytelling, students learn how to express themselves in different ways. Creative thinking is important because it helps us to come up with new ideas and find unique solutions to problems. The role of teachers and schools in the education. Teachers and schools play a very important role in education. Teachers are guides who help students to understand difficult concepts and encourage them to ask questions. They provide knowledge, correct mistakes, and inspire students to learn more. Schools provide a safe and structured environment where students can learn, grow, and interact with others. Good teachers make learning interesting and fun. They use different methods such as games, experiments, and discussions to make lessons more engaging. For example, a teacher might use a science experiment to explain how plants grow, or a math game to teach students about fractions. This method makes it easier for students to understand and remember lessons. How students can benefit from education. For students, education is the time to explore new subjects, make friends, and develop lifelong skills. Here are some tips to make the most of your education interesting. Number 1. Stay curious. Always ask questions and try to understand the world around you. Being curious will help you to learn more and discover new interests. Number 2. Participate in class. Engage in class activities and discussions. This will help you to understand the subject better and also build confidence. Number 3. Work on your skills. Focus on improving your reading, writing, and problem-solving skills. This will be useful in every aspect of life. Number 4. Respect your teachers and classmates. Being respectful and kind creates a positive learning environment. It helps everyone to feel supported and encourages teamwork. Number 5. Balance studies and play. It's important to study hard, but don't forget to have fun. Participate in sports, arts, and hobbies that you enjoy. This balance will keep you happy and healthy. In conclusion, education is the key to a brighter future. It not only helps us gain knowledge, but also build our character, teaches us valuable life skills, and opens up endless opportunities. The more you learn now, the better prepared you will be for the future. Remember, education is not just about getting good grades. It's about becoming a well-rounded and responsible individual who can contribute to society. So, always value your education and make the most of it. Thank you, everyone.
In the heart of darkness, it plants its spark, a flame that grows, displaying the dark. From mountains high to valleys wide, it opens doors to trusted guide. A path to wisdom, a way to grow, the seeds of hope it seeks to sow. With books and lessons, it lights the way, believe tomorrow, starting today. Good morning and want to see the letter to everyone present here. Honorable guests of the day, His Holiness, the Kanabanda Rinpoche, respected Kembos, principals, head teachers, and my dear friends from different monasteries. Today, on behalf of my Lord Nipo Namdo Nogoling Monastic School family, I would like to share some thoughts on education. A powerful gift that saves our lives, our communities, and the world. As a young monk, I spent my days studying Buddhist teachings and scripture. And I have come to see just how valuable education is, not only for gaining knowledge, but for learning how to live a good life and help others. In Tibetan, there is a respected proverb, let me recite it. Thaba timum meze domain kumbo naso mike norgicho. Kundo mumbi doesn't change tatsu nengato mitokicho. Which means learning is the beacon that illuminates the darkness of ignorance. It is the ultimate treasure beyond the reach of thieves. It serves as a powerful weapon to conquer the enemy of delusion. It is the most loyal company offering guidance and solutions. The proverbs beautifully highlight the transformative power of education and knowledge. It reminds us that learning is not just means to get material sources, but a priceless treasure that saves our character and wisdom. Unlike wealth that can be stolen, education is everlasting. It equips us with the clarity to overcome ignorance and delusion, guiding us like a true friend through life challenges. This reflects the Buddhist values of seeking enlightenment and using knowledge as a tool for personal and spiritual growth. Education is the foundation that each of us understand the world around us, make good decisions, and know what is true. For us as monks, education has both spiritual and a practical side. We learn about dharma, about kindness, and about compassion, which brings us closer to a life of purpose. But education also helps us learn about wider world, about history, language. It gives us the ability to express ourselves, to communicate with others, and to create peace wherever we go. Education benefits the entire community. When one person learns, they can share their knowledge, helping others to grow as well. Imagine a village where everyone has learned something useful. How to grow food, how to keep themselves healthy, or how to create things. That village would become strong, united, and wise. Education gives people skills to improve their communities, to solve problems, and to bring peace and harmony to their families. It brings strength to the whole community. Education also shows us the path to a better future. For many, learning is the only way to escape poverty or to create new opportunities. It opens doors that were once closed, showing us new ideas, new goals, and new dreams. Education allows us to do things we may have thought impossible, to think beyond our villages, to explore the world, and to bring our skills back to our communities. In this way, it becomes the path to a brighter, more hopeful future. But as you know, not everyone has access to education. Many people face great challenges just to be able to study. Some live far from schools and most travels for hours, while others may not have enough money for school supplies. Some children have to work to support their families, and their days are filled with the responsibility that make learning difficult. Yeah, despite these challenges, education brings hope. It gives people the courage to believe in something beyond their current lives. Education tells us that no matter wherever we come from and what struggles we face, we can improve our lives. Education is especially important for those of us who come from small or uneducated communities. We have the opportunity to be the first in our families or our villages to learn things that can make life better for everyone. When we study, we bring back knowledge that can uplift others. We become the foundation for change, setting an example and showing that learning is part of growth, empowerment, and kindness. In closing, education is a truly precious gift. It provides us with the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. It helps us live with a purpose and compassion. And it gives us the ability to improve not only our own lives, but the lives of those around us. Let us remember, education is not a privilege for a few. It is right for everyone, and it is up to us to help make education possible for all. Especially those who are struggling, those who are far away, and those who need it most. So, as I speak about the power of education, I also speak from the heart about how it has transformed my own life. It is because of this education that I have hope, directions, and purpose. I am here today only because of the wisdom, support, and faith I have received from my teacher and from the monastery, which I will carry with me always. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. The chief guest of the program, His Holiness, the 43rd Sakya Trizin Rinpoche, Venerable Temples, and 5th executive members of Mustang Sakya Buddhist Association, respected principals, teachers, their parents, and all fellow students. I, knowledge from Kakshita Monastery School, would like to extend my hearty greetings and touch the deck to you all. Today, I'd like to speak about the importance of education. What is education? To get educated is to receive learning. Education is the process where a person is enlightened with something new. Right from where a baby speaks out the first word till the time when we reach our last day, everything we do is an outcome of the education we have received. The systematic instructions of schools, the experiences at our home and the workplace, the content in the books and outside of them. All these are maps to education in one way or the other. True education isn't just about acquiring knowledge. It is about learning to apply that knowledge with wisdom. The ability to learn and adapt is far more valuable than simply memorizing facts and figures. As Mahatma Gandhi said, true education must correspond to the surrounding circumstances, or it is not a healthy world. He always viewed education as an all-round development and not just as literacy. He stressed the whole development of a child, not just the mind. Now, let me touch on some of the main features as a highlight of the importance of education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it out from you. Education is not the filling of a bell, but lighting of a fire. Education provides stability in life, and it's something that no one can ever take out from you. By being well educated and holding your college degree, you increase your chances for better career opportunities and opens up new doors for yourself. Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. These words encapsulate a fundamental truth about education. It goes beyond the mere accumulation of knowledge and focuses on nurturing critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Let me quote one of the most famous sayings by Albert Einstein about education. Intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death. The only thing that interferes with human learning is my education. Education is a human right, a powerful driver of development, and one of the strongest instruments for poverty and improving health, gender equality, peace, and stability. It delivers large, consistent returns in terms of income, and is the most important factor to ensure equity and inclusion. As educated people, we are considered as a valuable source of knowledge for our society. Having education helps us teach others morals, manners, and ethics. Education helps a person to get knowledge and improve confidence in life. It can help you improve your career and your personal growth. An educated person can become a great citizen in society. It helps you to make the right decisions in life. The modern, developed, and industrialized world is running on the wheels of education. To be able to survive in the competitive world, we all need education as a thread that leads the way. Education not only imparts knowledge, but also develops functioning skills which are crucial for adapting to and excelling in various aspects of everyday life and professional environments. Below are some of the summarized features of education which outline the importance of education in human life. First, safety against crime. Second, women's empowerment. Third, fundamental right. Fourth, removing poverty. Fifth, preventing war and terrorism. Sixth, maintaining law and order. Now, I'd like to briefly explain the above mentioned points in more detail. First, safety against crime. Education can be important in preventing crime by helping people understand the law and their rights and duties, and by developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Second, women's empowerment. Education provides a platform for the women to stand up for themselves and encourages them for higher achievements. Third, fundamental right. Education creates awareness about the basic and fundamental human rights. It also teaches us about our rights and duties towards our society and our nation. Fourth, removing poverty. Education plays a vital role in removing poverty. It creates immense employment opportunities and minimizes anti-social activities. Fifth, preventing war and terrorism. Educated people have broader mindset as compared to uneducated. They have more advanced critical thinking, modern cultural tolerance, improved mutual understanding, and effective conflict resolution skills. 6. Maintaining law and order. Education plays a significant influence in making and developing us, making us more optimistic about life and its objectives. An educated person tends to live a more meaningful and purposeful life than an uneducated individual. Finally, I would like to conclude my speech here by expressing my immense gratitude to all the members of the Mustang Sakya Buddhist Association for creating such a precious opportunity for us. Thank you all very much.
kajo kawo kibe ngame ana so ki gomba gi ta kajo re lokjong gi neze de kure ro wa hakwa da de kanji to ne pemnisi gi phen to jong gi yore ne di ta 다리가 주발에서 아니 내가 나시 마음발이나야 내가 로다르시 내가 에르베스 개충을 등에 쉬어이 아 땡기만 내게 다시 민고라 번호가 대전 것이죠 달로기 공박하디 얘기 딱 가지고 나온저 딱 사제 공박하 예반하네 이 가시고래 내제 시고래 로종 내제 토하자는 게 지기스 김장 가시고래 제가 먼저 공박 뭐 여는데 이나야 중기 팀제 남적이고 그다음에 다시 로브라 공부하는 의미 다시 단단 뒤질 때 봐야는 다시 로 위에 공부도 좀 하다 시라시라 매워도 차위도 딩장 딩에 이때 비스기 마음바기 직접 뒤라고 쓰바이나 마음바기 다 가지고 돌아온 쓰바이나 다 이만에 나 무슨 로 주장의 신성 이만에 선들이라니 딱 만족 로브라 공부도 기타바기 로브라 내제리 예 로브제 내제리 양당 그리고 또 데이터 맞춰봐 또 슝대기 아까지고 내가 제가 도서랑 뱀비스기 내가 좀 처리도 근데 이제 딩이 로 공부도 공부하는데 이 장난 뱀비스기 가고 좀 말하는 공부 가와라 좋아이나야 로 공부를 지기도 제가 봐야 되는 나 뭐서 중에 가 말아 보가 가와라나 이 쇼도 쉬시바이 이제 딩이 가지고다 제가 정말로 투지체다 다시 될 수비 내가 나신다 다가 로 나머지가 하고 우리 나머지 뱀비스기 투지체 수비 대단 첩지도다 내 공부 마음버지기다 가지고 캠보 운지 예바 삼회기 투투 진창 근데 영롱다니 되게 가시고다 나한테 뱀비스기야 이 가시고야 레호요 말에 이가 드레 나한테 드레 앞에 비스키는 걸 제수 이라시고이 먼저 말한 쪽에다 자라마 고마치저는 버지래 디라나시 루딩 킨저는 버지래 디라나시 주주제 제발 버지래 코나마 사마기 때 가시고래 사제비기 템바디라딘 특징을 투투 점상하다 야보 유베기다 공바디 뒤에 열에 기디야 내가 치슈지당 열에 뒤에 키는 바게다 가시고래 모든이 들어 깔아 찌우시고래다 라메기 공도 누가 중화 도와들라 니 키는 바라야 니 타관에 두지치 슈기 뱀메스가 야보 중상 가고 중 하나 삼마 루루냠도 루루 되니 지게 지와지게 지야는 저바자는 그런 나라 있나야 냠도 나와이나 이 가양 먼저 지도 정말 냠도 야도요 뭔가 정말 냠도 야제도요 야제도가 땀 냠도 도요 강아 중앙에는 냠도 강아 냠도 세토에 가고 있어요 이 인상때 때 미세기 시지 침벌지가 앞에 미세기 내가 침벌지 저기 다르게 아라이네한테 추스다 다르게 다 담보지 버려 마음바랑에 가리네 저기 로와슈기 대가님도 대가 산이도 있나더니 야다 가지고 가운데 보러 있다 딱 점을 가리나야 민나 예쁘고들라고요. 점을 미세 캐셔버려. 점을 해야지. 지 다 지금 보를 동작 슈퍼라고 생각하고 자도를 점을 세워 생각하고 지금 저걸 지내서 다 점을 말해. 점을 해야 침 먹고 쉬지요래. 점을 해야 지금 간접 먼저 쉬어요. 말은 점을 소소 사졌는 거를 소소기 조합이 토비하고 파줄라 지금 가르치니 가가 판매하는 얘기 탑실 방법이난 거고요. 니야 신기 컨트롤을 이 제모이나 다가스직 바 통정 주셔들라는 강비가 수직 생기면 이나야 제모 직 첨도 팀백 구전나와 이나 그래 미식 로종 너무 충분히라고요. 니인자 니양이 남주가랑 자가라 보고 이와는 사람이 라고요. 저랑도 제모 지도가 전부 지도가 근데 파주가 파미아가 되게 성 마땅하다스. 원래 전도도 술을 지겨 소소소라니 이게 소소소저도 지겨라. 소소소소 가이지만 소소삼로나 이제 걸로니 전화 상상 걸로 전세 상황 걸로 또 봐야 되나 걸 이제 숨제 놓고 이제 이나야 뭐 전세 탑시 지겨래 가족이야 가게래 소족이야 너도 조겨래 아무나 좋다 이 먼저 미저 도 되지 않아 그래서 나라 삼도 전제 상황 중요하다 그래다 이거 이나야 먼저 양진가 지금 탑시로 제 양진 맞죠 양대 소리신다 지금 맞죠 내가 지금 먼저 미저 줘 내가 마신다 제모야 지고 지장래 제목이 침도 특별 주제 부자당 도바이나 나와서 미제 나와야 기야 디나 로조디야 그래 나와 기비가 로조 여기요 인지문지 지가가 중가가 로나 가주다 그거는 잡고지니 시험 뭐가 지금 나와 기비가 제목 지금 마음바게 지금바게 걸어가 지금 버시고래 나무 이날에 고바이나 가와이나 상막이 로조기 디념도 라기에나 pen 가시고래 야보지 얘기 디인자 아니 구전나와 있나요? 소속이 아니 가시고래 다 라자시고래 소속이가 칼로리 수복이 기다시고래 참아 소속이라 내가 좀 보시는 거라. 데 소속이 샘플 전반에 시간 보기 쉬도록 디디야 소속 강바다라 많이 바라라야 지기 저와지 고기야. 디디기 내가 강지 야시보고는 쓰바이나 테스트모스에다가 페페 치고요래. 어디가 나신다 나도 다시 받을 나중에 쇼가 나신 나도 로 공부한다기 다 공부 마음새기 미사 신을 돈 앞에 메시지 하시면다기도 이제 참마라 가면 중 참마기야 신을 앞에 메시지 돈한다기도 지기 디가 나신 조선 나이나래 탑시 나이나래 다 강지 토네 구글라 시죠 나이나래 제모제나래 롭종 가나이나 강지 토네 시죠 빼 메시지 연구당기도 이게 디고네 미닝 타바네 아니 레지 참마라야 아니 가시고래 투지체 쇼깅이 또 메시지 가고 좀 근데 나 두바 이나 그냥 뭐네 이제 마음밖에 대바 찌야 sabjita de shugurwa diinta ape misigi dia la dijia de pensigi garani na shugure gabo shira chonso ne de fisi shugi ta shuju ka shuya bidu khamar ane tare de chus cha to ape misigi gabo chonso dene maum bala yang se cha to da ke na de ran na to ge maram da ne ro shugi tujiche
당시 고들기 한 팅베까지 서운데 베비까고 고마 치제 제선바 초라 그차 온데 땅다 자 참지 슈바당 한 드링 소데 딜라 냠춘나긴기 캠버 넘버 근데 가게 오제 남미마 요한 내려라 참지 슈비 거네 한에 드링 그제를 보도 슈서가 슈니 저라 되게 좀 심한 해배장 레껴비 파마 temba yure nebe soshin chenbo chenso sumdengi chenchen tsabi lama pa sekin kyangwa koma chizen shesumba chenbo chok chinang sangsumgi zechen chesam chenayang tiringi zerimde keze chini thazala tuzugi soje nami kogal chunga tang shabso kwe pala ning thawane katin che shubin temba chi tang chedak saki temba la 사이티 템비 징교 베숨라 가진 하라도 체위 근데하게 캐로 치는 것처럼 드링기 제전데라 치낭 제전 치다 치나양 계제치니 강엘라 마젠버 샵소도 남발라니 타반 투시슈 제지 노면한 총전한 종대한 관계 초조 구샵 자신노부 초다 로지도 가게 초조 구첩 남바탕 바라강 아마 초반남라 드링기 제림데 계제치니 뒤주 당니 슈바당 아니 계세지와 남발라 인타반 토치슈 대신도 근데카기 로제당 의진 개개 남바 대링 소된디 때까지 지니 대냠쇼 나와라 토치슈 미스 대링 당아도 참마 냠로 조예기 고갑 중기 아니 냠쇼 나기게 롭주 nyabro nangi ani susu gen sheni nyabro nangi dezu susu lo che tang lu che la pa bi ju chi tham the susu ne che ta pa bi ani susu ya komba tyungke cheni ani ngazo la thiringi ani thiringi chode de pe ma se cha chu bu swe na ma tha de la pe ma se ni tha ba na thu chi shya ta ani le ma yang thiringi kogap ti kya zo la te ne susu la pe ma se ma o ba nyamyo mambo sabba tang ani lema kogap te do mambo june susu mize na la kogo yaje de chegi kogo mambo zwa la mende da ta thu chi shugi tene chokam chete de la ra le ba indu sheki ye ta yenke mena choba cha choba cha ge medu kapsu le nga chu choba de la ge chu chi ne ani mimang de ne mambo nyam chu na yu kapsu ani mimang na ba la ning thama thu chi shugi tene tiringi chobade ani chachobo yoyala mi norsunja kone phangse neba beje taila roram nangki pema chal khelok diji yongla ning thabane thuse shubini tene chachobo tiringi chode sheyo bodur ki chode de ani chachobo yoyala gyabyo nangki parba ta ani ming bear hama parba nam tang ani chagam changja thaya la charo nangki ate mai be ming min be hama te ki se mingo so ma be na yang ani konga me be go ne te rin sar na bala ek thon to se shugi